You are not going to believe this. Right now, while we talk about elections, crime, and deportation, Jamaica is growing crops tied to global markets worth over $300 billion. Blue Mountain coffee, mangoes, fine-flavored cocoa, 3 crops, 3 passports to prosperity. But we have been exporting them like side hustles when they should be national strategies. The hidden wealth we walk on. Jamaica's land has always been valuable, but the world has changed, and with it, the way wealth is measured. It's not just about sugar or bauxite anymore, it's about flavor, wellness, and authenticity. Right now, across the world, consumers are paying top dollar for premium coffee, exotic fruits, and rich cocoa. And what do we have? Exactly that. While others are building billion-dollar empires, we send out containers worth peanuts. It's time to flip the script. Blue Mountain Coffee, Jamaica's gourmet gold. Blue Mountain Coffee is one of the most expensive and exclusive coffees in the world. About $60 per pound, sometimes more, served in 5-star hotels, sold in elegant packaging. It's grown in misty mountains at perfect altitudes. It's hand-picked, carefully processed. And yet, Jamaica only earns around $25 to $26 million a year from coffee exports. Meanwhile, the global coffee market, it's projected to hit over $237 billion by 2027. We have the brand, the soil, the mystique. What we lack is scale. The government's new restoration program is targeting 450,000 boxes a year. But even that's just a sip. To dominate this market, we need more than farming. We need strategy, coffee tourism, coffee skincare, and coffee desserts. We need to build a world around the bean. We need more than the annual staging of a coffee festival. Mangoes, a fruit with a passport. The mango is more than a fruit. It's a memory, a summer breeze, a taste of home. For Jamaicans abroad, it's nostalgia. For foodies worldwide, it's the next superfruit. In 2023, the global mango market was valued at up to $89 billion. Projections say it could hit $97 billion by 2029. And Jamaica, we earned just $1.6 million in mango exports. That's embarrassing, especially when we have premium varieties, especially when countries like the UK and Canada are opening up again for Jamaican mango imports. What's stopping us? Post-harvest handling, pests, lack of large-scale orchards, and no serious investment in mango-based products, purees, juices, and dried snacks. But that's changing. New orchards are coming. Government programs are kicking in. The Mango Irradiation Program is paving the way for US market access. We've got to move fast before Peru, Mexico, and India take the whole pie. Cocoa. The chocolate Jamaica forgot Jamaican cocoa. Once sweetened royal tables in Europe. It's fine-flavored, rich, and grows from the prized Trinitario variety, rare and in high demand. The global cocoa market is expected to reach $79 billion by 2032. Jamaica, we made about $103,000 from raw cocoa beans last year. We're barely in the game, but premium single-origin chocolate is booming. People are paying more for ethical, small-batch, dark, and artisan chocolate than ever before. That's our space. Cocoa isn't just about beans, it's about bars, chocolate spreads, cocoa butter, culinary tourism. Right now, farmers are being trained in post-harvest techniques. Small processors are popping up. The Rural Agricultural Development Authority is stepping in. But we've got to move from farmer to founder, from producer to profiteer. Jamaica doesn't need to be the biggest, just the smartest. Because in niche, high-end markets, small countries can cash big checks. Why haven't we hit billions yet? Here's the truth. It's not laziness. It's logistics. We've lacked proper infrastructure. We've lacked access to cold chains, factories, and packaging centers. We've had strong farmers, but weak systems. And while we debated farm roads, the global market moved on. Faster, smarter. But now we know better. And when you know better, you plant better, process better, export better. Maybe Jamaica's New Speed initiative could help to sort things out, to get us moving. Faster. What's changing now? Here's the good news. The Jamaican government is investing in all three crops. Coffee, $1 billion through the Crop Restoration Program. Mangoes, new orchard developments in Clarendon, St. Catherine, and Manchester. Cocoa, pest control support, fermentation training, and new export cooperatives. Even better, the diaspora is hungry, global markets are asking. Wellness brands want new partners. And most of all, the world is looking for origin stories. That's what Jamaica brings. Not mass production, but meaning. Not volume, but value. What we must do next: 1. Expand with excellence. Grow more, but protect quality. Never lose the magic of our mountain coffee or our heirloom mangoes. 2. Add value here. Let's not just ship beans or fruit. Let's ship chocolate, juice, jams, branded boxes, things people will remember. 3. Sell the story. Jamaica is a feeling, a rhythm, a flavor. That's our brand, so sell it with every bite, every cup, every export. 4. Build the chain, processing facilities, cold storage, research centers. If we build the chain, the money stays home. The wake-up call. We've been talking about tourism for decades, but agriculture, that's our quiet gold mine. Coffee, mangoes, cocoa, 3 crops, $3 billion markets, 3 keys to rewrite our economic future. This is not theory. This is real, and it's growing right under our feet. The only question is, will we water it? 4 bonus facts. 1. Blue Mountain coffee is so rare, it makes up less than 0.1% of the world's coffee, but commands some of the highest prices. 2. The US has over 10,000 specialty chocolate shops, many seeking unique, single-origin cocoa suppliers like Jamaica. 3. Mango demand in the Asian and North American markets has grown over 20% in the past 5 years, especially for organic, premium types. 4. Japan buys more Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee than any other country, showing the power of long-term branding and consistency. 3 crops, $3 billion markets, 1 Jamaica. If you believe in building wealth through the land we already own, then this is your call. Share this video, start the conversation in the comments, and subscribe to our channel, Impacting Jamaica. Let's stop exporting raw potential and start exporting real prosperity.